Hello guys. Today, we're gonna cook together beautiful snacks from peanuts, baking flour and eggs.
So we're gonna start now.
Remember to subscribe if you are new. Here, we're gonna start with mixing eggs, peanuts together with baking flour. Remember, you can use quantity of your choice.
After give it a good mix, then it's time to hit oil, and then weigh our mix.
Add salt to your choice. Now it's time to add our mix.
Keep changing sides till everything gonna be greenish and make sure that oil goes everywhere.
Now it's time to take out our snacks.
They are ready now. Wow, they're looking yummy. I can't wait to give it a taste.
Are you loving recipes?
Please subscribe to support me. Thank you.